In this video tutorial, we will give you instructions to get rid of pop-up alerts that are associated with the website downloadadblock.com or download-adblock.com. First thing I want to mention regarding this website is that it is quite unlikely that you would make your personal decision to visit this page. Instead, there could be some adware type program enabled in your computer that could result in such a strange behavior of your browser related to the permanent pop-up show. So if you ever see these alerts in your screen, first thing you could do is to research your available applications in your Mac computer and to delete any items that look suspicious. If you see something related to adware, get rid of it by right-clicking and moving to the trash. Another thing you need to know is that it is extremely dangerous for you to install any of such extensions, in spite of the promises that the pop-up makes before you. It says that you will have a chance to block ads, but instead this extension may show ads and additionally collect some of your personal details while you surf the internet. So it can read and change all your data on the websites you visit. Sometimes such third-party extensions may instead generate a lot of advertisements, sponsored links, and so on. So I recommend you not to trust all such third-party resources that promise a lot, but in reality they work as a typical adware. Go to the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, then click on Extensions. So now you need to disable this AdBlock pop-up and ads extension, deactivate it like this, and remove the extension entirely. Finally, I recommend that you additionally inspect your system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and then researching your computer with the program to make sure that it is free of any other hidden infections. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threats on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threats are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threats, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the threat name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threats automatically and keep your Mac protected.